The name of this study is the 60-second query, a way to assess knowledge and practice, presented by Dr. Jennifer Holder Murray in UPMC's Department of Surgery, Brandon Mahler in UPMC's Department of Surgery, University of Pittsburgh undergraduate student Ria Yadav, and Beth Littleton at the University of Pittsburgh Department of Surgery. This is a feasibility study of a way to assess residents' ability to apply the knowledge about safety and quality that we convey to them. Specifically, we are interested in assessing the knowledge 2 levels up from the bottom in the pyramid shown. Lectures and videos, for example, teach learners basic facts. 1 level up in difficulty and expertise is applied knowledge. Applying quality and safety knowledge in the healthcare environment corresponds to an entrustable professional activity identified by the AMC as a skill residents need. The activity is identify system failures and contribute to a culture of safety and improvement. For the purposes of this study, we pose that to be able to contribute to a safe environment, you need to be able to recognize risks on the job. We examined the feasibility of the 60-second query by deploying it with residents in general surgery. For it to be feasible, it needed to be able to show changes over time in residents' abilities to notice safety and quality risks. In this study, we asked residents what they recall seeing in the healthcare environment. We believe that their remarks about what they notice will shed light on what they are learning. We are drawing on research about human memory and learning that what people remember, and therefore learn, tend to be the things that stand out to them as new or unexpected. Examples are things that visually stand out, things that are unusual in a situation, and things they had to be actively doing and thinking. Pictured to the right is the anonymous, open-ended, 60-second query given online to participating general surgery residents. For this IRB-approved observational study, between 28 and 30 residents participated in at least one of 4 course sessions. 23 of those residents attended at least 2 sessions. Therefore, we were able to analyze their answers longitudinally. We performed qualitative analysis to identify themes in residents' answers to the survey. For the qualitative analysis, we reviewed and discussed the themes present in the data. This was done in iterations until all data could be reliably categorized into one and only one of the themes. Specifically, we found themes about communication, medication errors, incomplete care, delay in care, clinical process error, MD error, nursing, OR staffing, OR process, OR technical issues, and quality issue non-instance, referring to remarks that were too vague, typically indicating larger societal or institutional policies. For brevity's sake, 4 of the more complex themes are presented here, along with example remarks for each of those themes. For OR process, an example is the patient identifiers in OR different from the patient actually in OR. For clinical process error, NG tubes that are not set to suction or disconnected. For incomplete care, radiology refusal to overread trauma scans from outside hospitals that were misread by small hospital radiologists. And non-instance, rounding on 50-plus patients with limited team members. The results of this feasibility study are that the 60-second query show residents increasing their ability to recognize instances of quality and safety risks. Specifically, 70% or 16 participants added at least 1 new theme. 7 residents added no themes, 1 resident added 3 new themes, and 1 added 4 themes. Postgraduate year did not predict whether residents added more than 1 theme. The most frequently mentioned theme out of all 106 remarks made across all sessions was communication, with 62% of all remarks, incomplete care, quality non-instance, and clinical process errors were far less common, ranging from 21 to 27%. Our conclusions from this study are that a brief written exercise, such as the open-ended 60-second query, may reveal application of knowledge on the job. Also, this could be a way to assess AAMC entrustable professional activity, number 13, and it may be useful for assessing development of other kinds of knowledge. Thank you.